the real number k for which the equation 2x cube plus x plus k is equal to 0 has two distinct real roots in closed 0 comma 1 is here, right. Two distinct real roots in closed 0 comma 1. First response is here that real roots lies between 1 and 2 is here, right. Second response, the real roots lies between 2 and 3 is here. And the third response, the real roots lies between -1 and whatever the 0, right. Fourth response is here does not exist. Whatever is here exist. What given? The real number k for which the equation has two distinct real roots in the given interval is here. Then what happens is here, then the real number k lies between 1 2 and 2 3 -1 0 and whatever is here does not exist is given. Given equation has two real roots in the whatever is here equation is here. First, what given equation is here? F of x equal to is here 2x cube plus x part of the plus k is here. F dash x find out is here. What is the f dash x? 6 square plus 1 is here. We observe the 6 positive, 1 positive, x square is also positive. F dash x is positive for all x values is here. F dash x positive for all x values means is here x is an whatever is here is an increasing function, right. X is an increasing function is here. Increasing function means how many real roots are there, right. Maybe maximum is 1 real root is here. One root, right. What asking is here? Two distinct real roots, right. Increasing function 2 real roots does not exist is here. That's why there is no k value is here, so that the given equation has no 2 real roots is here. Chandi, right. So what given equation, right. What happens is here 2x cube plus x plus k has 2 real roots is here. At what values of k given equation has 2 real roots is here. But real roots of function is here. First find f dash x, right. What the f dash x is here? Simply f dash x is always what? Positive. Positive means increasing. Increasing means maybe maximum touch intersect the x axis at one point is here. 2 points are not possible. You take any k value is here. The given equation has no 2 real roots is here. That's why k does not exist. చూడండి k యొక్క ఏ విలువకి 2x క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ x ప్లస్ k ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అనేది 0,1 అంతరంలో రెండు వాస్తవ మూలాలు కలిగి ఉంటాయి అని ఇచ్చినాడు, రైట్. k అనేది 1,2 మధ్యలో ఉన్నప్పుడు 2,3 మధ్యలో ఉన్నప్పుడు -1,0 మధ్యలో ఉన్నప్పుడు అసలు k అనేది వ్యవస్థితం కాదు, రైట్. ఇవ్వబడిన రైట్ ఫస్ట్ f ఆఫ్ x మనం ప్రమేయం తీసుకున్నాం, రైట్. f డాష్ x తీసుకున్నాం. f డాష్ x అనేది ఏమైపోయిందండి? ధనాత్మకం అయిపోయింది. ధనాత్మకం అయితే fx అనేది ఏమవుతుందండి? ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అవుతుంది. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అయినప్పుడు అది x అక్షాన్ని గరిష్టంగా ఒక్క బిందువు దగ్గర ఖండిస్తుంది. ఒక్క బిందువు దగ్గర ఖండిస్తుంది అంటే గరిష్టంగా ఒక్క రూట్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. రెండు వాస్తవ మూలాలు ఉండవు. కాబట్టి నువ్వు ఏ k విలువ తీసుకున్నా కానీ ఈ రైట్ సమీకరణానికి రెండే వాస్తవ మూలాలు ఉండవు. కాబట్టి అలాంటి k అనేది వ్యవస్థితం కాదు, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, let fx be a polynomial of degree 4 having extreme values at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to 2 if limit extends to 0 1 plus f of x by x square is equal to 3, then f of 2 is equal to dash. The first response is -8, second response is -4, third response is 0, fourth response is 4, right. What? Fx be a polynomial of degree 4, extreme value set at x equal 1, 2. If limit value is whatever is here 3, then find whatever is here f of x value can be taken, right. We observe is here limit extends to 0, right. 1 plus fx by x square is equal to 3 exist, is equal to 3, whatever is here, exist. Limit x tends to 0 exist means is here. So what is the in denominator? There is no x is here. That's why we simplifying is here x square plus f of x is equal. So 3x square is here plus whatever the ax power 4 plus bx cube is here. Why? The of degree whatever is here 4. You take whatever the x square function, x square will be cancelled. The constant is appearing is here, but at x tends to 0 constant already given. That's why only whatever is here ax power 4 plus bx cube is here. This is the important thing. Why? Given polynomial of degree 4 given. Right. So that's why that and the limit is what the exist means the whatever the functions are a and ax power 4 and bx cube is here. We find the parameters a and whatever is here b is here. From that one f of x is equal to is here ax power 4 plus bx cube is here plus whatever is here 2x square is here. Right. Next find f dash x is here. What is the f dash x is here? 4ax cube is here plus 3bx square is here plus whatever is here 4x can be taken as here. Right. Given right at 1 and 2 are the extreme values is here. At 1 and 2 are the extreme values means is here f dash 1 is 0 and f dash 2 is also whatever is here 0. F dash 1 0 means is here 4a plus 3b plus 4 is equal to whatever is here 0. F dash 2 is equal to 0 means is here 4a into whatever is here 2 cube plus 3b into 2 square plus 4 into 2 is equal to 4 into 2 is equal 0. Solving these two equations is here we get a is equal to half is here and b is equal to whatever is here minus 2. Solving these two equations is here. Right. Therefore f of x is equal what are the f a comma b value substitute f of x equal whatever is here 1 by 2 x power 4 is here minus 2 x cube is here plus whatever is here 2x square can be taken. Right. Asking f of 2 value is here. F of 2 is equal 1 by 2 into 2 power 4 minus 2 into 2 cube plus 2 into whatever is here 2 square. Simplify the value is here f of 2 is equal to whatever is here 0. Right. 0 is the correct response is here. Right. So what happened? Given limit exist and function has extreme values at x equal 1 comma 2 is here, then find function or f of 2 or f of 3 or f of 10 any one. First we observe this limit exists. This limit exists and fx is 4th degree. 4th degree means whatever the maybe here x power 4 x cube and x square and x and whatever the constant. So x power 4 by x square is meaning x cube by x square is x is okay. X square by x square will be cancel some constant. Constant already decide. That's why x square is not involving. You take x by x square is 1 by x. At x equal 0 limit does not exist is here. If take constant by x square is also limit does not exist. That's why function involving only x power 4 and x cube terms is here. Take simplification this one x square plus fx is equal 3x square. Total is equal whatever is here ax power 4 plus bx cube is here. Simplify you get f of x and find the f dash x given extreme values at x equal 1 comma 2. Right. Therefore f dash 1 0 f dash 2 is 0. Solving these two equations we get a and b values is here. So substitute a and b values is here we get f of x is here. Asking the function value at x equal to f of 2 simplify you get the 0 is here. చూడండి రైట్. సో fx అనేది 4వ తరగతి బహుపది. ఈ ప్రమేయానికి 1 కామా 2ల వద్ద అంత్య విలువలను కలిగి ఉంది. అయితే f of 2 విలువని కనుక్కోండి అన్నాడు. చూడండి మొదట అవధి వ్యవస్థితం అయినది. అవధి వ్యవస్థితం at x equal 0 వద్ద మరియు fx అనేది 4వ తరగతి బహుపది ఇచ్చిండు. అవధి వ్యవస్థితం అయినది అంటే 4వ తరగతి బహుపది అంటే x పవర్ 4 పదాలు ఉంటాయి, x క్యూబ్ ఉంటుంది, x స్క్వేర్ అంటే x ఉంటుంది, స్థిరాంకం ఉంటుంది. మీరు x పవర్ 4 బై x స్క్వేర్ అంటే x స్క్వేర్ అవధి వ్యవస్థం అవుతుంది, నో ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్. x క్యూబ్ బై x స్క్వేర్ అయినా అవధి వ్యవస్థం అవుతుంది, నో ప్రాబ్లం. x స్క్వేర్ బై x స్క్వేర్ అంటే స్థిరాంకం ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చినాడు కాబట్టి అలాంటి పదం రాదు. x బై x స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 బై x రైట్ అవధి వ్యవస్థం కాదు. కాన్స్టెంట్ బై x స్క్వేర్ అయినా అవధి వ్యవస్థం కాదు. కాబట్టి మనకి ఇక్కడ కేవలం ఏ పదాలు ఉంటాయండి, x పవర్ 4 x క్యూబ్ పదాలు మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ fx ఈక్వల్ 3x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎట్లాంటి పదాలు ఉంటాయండి, x పవర్ 4 పదాలు, x క్యూబ్ పదాలు. దీని నుంచి f ఆఫ్ x వచ్చింది, దీని నుంచి f డాష్ x వచ్చింది. మనకు 1, 2 వద్ద అంత్య విలువలను కలిగి ఉంటాయి అని ఇచ్చినాడు. కాబట్టి f డాష్ 1 0 కావాలి, f డాష్ 2 కూడా 0 కావాలి. ఈ రెండు సాధిస్తే a కామా b విలువలు వచ్చినాయి. a కామా b విలువలని ప్రమేయంలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన ప్రమేయం వచ్చింది. రైట్. కావాల్సిన ప్రమేయం వచ్చినాక ఏదైనా x వద్ద విలువ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు, f ఆఫ్ 2 విలువ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. f ఆఫ్ 2 విలువ ఎంత వచ్చిందండి, 0. కాబట్టి 0 అనేది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. The function f of x is equal to 2x square minus log x is dash. Right, first response decreasing in off to infinite. Second response increasing in open 0, 2. Right. Third response decreasing in the interval open 0, 1/2. Fourth response is here increasing in the interval minus infinite to minus half is here. Decreasing here, increasing. Which one is correct? Given function f of x and asking find the increasing and decreasing in which interval. How start? First find f of x, right? Then find f dash x, right? So increasing means f dash x greater than 0, decreasing means f dash x less than 0. Using this concept is here, you decide the interval is here, right? What the function is here? F of x is equal to is here 2x square minus whatever is here log x can be taken, right? What the f dash x is here? F dash x equal 2 into 2x minus whatever is here 1/x is here, right? So the value is here whatever the value is here 4x square minus 1 by whatever is here x, right? 4x, right, 2x whole square minus 1 square by whatever the x. The value is here whatever the 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 into x by whatever is here x square, which is the whatever is here f dash x is here, right? Now we observing is here f dash x equal to x 2x minus 1 2x plus 1 into x square. X square is always positive, right? 𝗂𝗽𝗃𝗃 method applying is here, right? So this is the whatever is here. You see the graph at x equal 0, right? F dash x equal that one, and at x equal minus 1/2, and at x equal whatever is here plus 1/2 is here. You decide, right? So less than 1/2 is here. Less than 1/2 means is here. Substitute minus 1. You substitute minus 1 is here. F dash x is negative. And substitute whatever is here, the minus 1 to 1/4 is here. This is positive. We know that any continuous function, positive and negative is alternate. That's why this is negative. And this is negative is here. In the interval is whatever is here, positive can be taken. Negative, positive, negative, and whatever is here, positive can be taken. Right. So whatever the negative means, what is the decreasing? Decreasing in the interval minus infinite to what the minus 2 and 0 to, right. So decreasing interval. Decreasing in the interval is here minus 1/2 minus 1/2 union 0 to whatever is here 1/2. Increasing in which interval is where it is positive. Where it is positive is here minus 1/2 comma 0 union 1/2 comma whatever is here infinity increasing. Also we decide is here. So what is the right at 1/2 this one is here. So this is decreasing. And whatever is here increasing, and decreasing and increasing can be taken at of the whatever the minimum value. At 0 is the local maximum is here, and at off is also what is the local minimum is here. That's why we observing 𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗃 method is here. We decide where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. Also decide the maximum and whatever the minimum values is here. So that's why whatever the correct answer is here, correct answer is here. F is whatever is here decreasing in the interval. F is decreasing in the interval minus 1/2 to whatever is here minus infinite to minus 1/2 is correct answer. What? Given function f of x. Right. Next f dash x is here. Here using simple technique is here x multiply numerator and denominator. Here the 3 whatever the critical point 0 and 1/2 and minus 1/2. Right. You decide the whatever the at less than minus 1 substitute. This is a negative. In the continuous function, positive and negatives are alternating. That's why this is positive, negative, and positive is here. So right, this negative means decreasing in the interval minus infinite to minus 1/2, increasing in interval minus 1/2 to 0, and decreasing in 0 to 1/2, and increasing 1/2 to infinity is here. Right. So that's why, and also we observe decreasing and increasing means local minimum at half is here, and increasing and decreasing means local minimum at 0 is here, and decreasing and increasing means local minimum at whatever the plus 1/2 can be taken. Right. That's why required answer is what the fourth answer is correct. చూడండి ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయం f of x equal 2x square minus log x అని ఇచ్చిండు. రైట్. ఇది ఏ అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, ఏ అంతరంలో డిక్రీజ్ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. కాబట్టి మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏం కనుక్కున్నామండి, ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం. దీంట్లో ఏంటండి ఎక్స్ లవహారాలుగా రైట్ గురించి భావించినాం. దీంట్లో క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్స్ ఏమున్నాయండి, 0 minus 1/2 plus 1/2. సో దీన్ని మనం -1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఎఫ్ డాష్ -1 నెగిటివ్ అయింది. సో ఏదైనా అవిచ్చిన ప్రమేయానికి రైట్ ధన రుణాలు ఆల్టర్నేట్గా వస్తాయి, ఏకాంతరంగా వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ కావాలి, నెగిటివ్ కావాలి, పాజిటివ్ కావాలి. రైట్. సో ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఈ అంతరంలో రైట్ రైట్ ఏమవుతుందండి డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. పాజిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి యంత్రంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ నెగిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి యంత్రంలో డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. పాజిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి యంత్రంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో అదేవిధంగా మనం గ్రాఫ్కి ఇస్తే ఇది డిక్రీజ్ అయింది ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి 1 - 1/2 దగ్గర రైట్ ఏంటండి కనిష్ట విలువను కలిగి ఉంటుంది. 0 దగ్గర ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి గరిష్ట విలువ ఉంది. +1/2 దగ్గర డిక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఇంకేం అవుతుంది కాబట్టి కనిష్ట విలువను కలిగి ఉంది. కాబట్టి 4th రెస్పాన్స్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. రైట్. ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం let fx is equal to next problem let fx is equal to is here cos x -1 plus x square by 2 is here. Then what is the properties? The first answer is here f is increasing on r is here. The second option is here f is increasing, f is whatever is here increasing in minus infinite to 0 and decreasing in the open 0 comma infinity is here. The third answer is here f is decreasing in on r is here. And the fourth answer is here f is decreasing in the interval minus infinite to 0 and increasing in the interval 0 to infinity is here. This is the given question. Fx is function is given. Find the increasing interval in which interval and the decreasing in which interval is asking. Right. For this what we do that is here, all right, first find f of x is given function. What the f of x is here? F of x equal cos x -1 plus x square by 2 is here. Find the f dash x is here. What the f dash x is here? Sin x plus whatever is here, x 2x by 2 will be cancelled is here. So what happened? Right. Next whatever the f double dash x is here, f double dash x equal whatever is here, so minus cos x whatever is here plus 1. Cos x maximum value is whatever is here less than or equal to 1. That's why this is always positive. F double dash x is positive is here, then f dash x is an always increasing function. Right. F dash x is always whatever is here increasing function is here for all x can be taken is here. F dash x is increasing function is here if x less than 0 is here. If x less than 0, then f dash x is less than whatever is here, f dash 0 is here. So what the f dash 0 is here? F dash 0 sin 0 and 0, this value is also 0 is here. That means is here f dash x is whatever is here less than 0. F dash x is less than 0 means is here f is whatever is here decreasing function. If x less than 0 means what decreasing means is here in the interval minus infinite to 0 is the decreasing function. If the x greater than 0 is here, right, and f dash x is an increasing function imply f dash x greater than whatever is here f dash 0 is here. F dash 0 is equal 0. That's why f dash x is what the f dash x is greater than 0. F dash x is greater than 0 means is here f is an whatever is here increasing function for x greater than 0. F is decreasing function in the interval x less than 0 is here. Therefore given function, right, given function whatever is here increasing in the whatever 0 to infinite and decreasing function in the whatever is here minus infinite to whatever is here 0. Fourth answer is correct. Chudandi here students f of x, then whatever is here f dash x, right. Also we here the two trigonometric function and algebraic function is here using the technique not find f dash x equal 0 and f double dash, right, direct find f double dash x is here. Right. What the f double dash x is here minus cos x plus 1. Cos x maximum value is 1. Right. Always less than or equal to 1. That's why this is always positive. F double dash is positive. F double dash is positive. F dash whole derivative is positive means f dash x is always increasing function for all x is here. So now the you take x less than 0. F dash increasing function imply f dash x is less than f dash 0. F dash 0 value is 0. F dash x less than 0 means f is a decreasing function in the all x less than 0 means minus infinite to 0 is here. And also x greater than 0. F dash x greater than f dash 0 is also 0. F dash x greater than 0 means f is an increasing function from 0 to infinite is here. That means open 0 to infinite. Therefore f is decreasing function minus infinite to 0 and increasing function from 0 to infinite is here. చూడండి విద్యార్థులారా fx ఈక్వల్ cos x - 1 + x²/2 ప్రమేయం ఇచ్చింది. ఈ ప్రమేయం ఎప్పుడు ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది ఎప్పుడు డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుందో కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. దానికి ఏం చేసినామండి f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం, -sin x + x రాస్తున్నాం. సో డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ వాల్యూస్ కోసం f'(x) = 0 తీసుకుంటే ఇది కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అవుతా ఉన్నది. కాబట్టి దీనికోసం ఏం చేసినామండి f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం. -cos x + 1 cos x యొక్క గరిష్ట విలువ 1 కాబట్టి ఇది 1 - cos x అనేది ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా ధనాత్మకంగా ఉంటుంది. రైట్, కాబట్టి f'(x) ఎల్లప్పుడూ ధనాత్మకం కాబట్టి రైట్, f' హోల్ డెరివేటివ్ ధనాత్మకం కాబట్టి f'(x) అనేది ఏమవుతుందండి ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుంది. ఏ x విలువకు తీసుకున్నా సపోజ్ 0 < x < 0 తీసుకుంటే f' ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ కాబట్టి f'(x) f'(0) ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఏమైపోయిందండి 0. కాబట్టి f'(x) < 0 కాబట్టి f అనేది డిక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా x > 0 తీసుకుంటే f'(x) f'(0) f'(0) ఆల్రెడీ 0 ఈజ్ హియర్ f'(x) > 0 కాబట్టి f అనేది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అవుతుంది. అంటే రైట్, -∞ 0 వరకు f అనేది డిక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం, 0 to ∞ వరకు f అనేది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ద ఫంక్షన్ f(x) is equal to x into e⁻³ (3x). Right, first answer increasing on R, second optional decreasing on R, third optional increasing in -∞, 1/3, and the fourth answer decreasing in -∞ to whatever is here 1/3. This is a given. Function is given x into e⁻³ (3x), increasing which interval and decreasing which interval is asking is here. So for this one f(x) is equal whatever is here x into e⁻³ is here. First find f'(x) is here e⁻³ into -3x into e⁻³ is here. Right, so f'(x) is equal what happen is here e⁻³ common 1 - 3x is here. Right, for maxima or minima, for whatever is here maxima or minima is here, first find f'(x) = 0, f'(x) = 0 imply at x is equal whatever is here 1/3 is here. Right, next you observe if f is increasing here, so then f'(x) is whatever is here positive, e⁻³ into 1 - 3x is whatever is here positive, e⁻³ is always positive, 1 - 3x is positive is here. So 1 > 3x is here, 1/3 > x is here, means x < whatever is here 1/3. F is an increasing function, x < 1/3 is here, means -∞ to 1/3 f is an increasing function. Right, same way if f is decreasing function is here, f is decreasing function means f'(x) < 0, if simplify x > 1/3 is here, mean 1/3 to ∞ is a whatever is here decreasing function can be taken. Right, you observe this the coordinate system is here at whatever is here 1/3, so -∞ to right, -∞ to 1/3 whatever is here -∞ to 1/3 is an whatever is here increasing function, and 1/3 to ∞ is a whatever is here decreasing function. From that the function value maximum value at x is equal whatever is here 1/3, and maximum value is f of 1/3 can be taken is here. Right, that's why, so what the answer is here increasing function in the interval whatever is here -∞ to 1/3 is correct answer. చూడండి given function f(x). Right, find increasing or decreasing in which interval. Right, you observe the first f(x), then find the f'(x). So critical points f'(x) = 0, x = 1/3. If f is increasing, f'(x) is greater than 0, simplify x < whatever is here 1/3, -∞ to 1/3 is an increasing function. Similarly with that 1/3 to ∞ is an whatever is here is a decreasing function. Right, -∞ to 1/3 is an increasing function, at 1/3 to ∞ is decreasing function. From the graph you observe, right, the function have maximum value at x is equal whatever is here 1/3, and maximum value of the function is whatever is here f of whatever is here 1/3. There is no minimum values can be take up is here. Right, that's why the what happened increasing in the interval -∞, 1/3. చూడండి f(x) = x into e⁻³ అనే ప్రమేయం ఇచ్చింది. ఈ ప్రమేయం ఏ అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, ఏ అంతరంలో డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుందో కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. కాబట్టి మొదట ఏంటంటే ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయం f(x), దాని నుంచి f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం. రైట్, మనకి క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్స్ కోసం f'(x) = 0కు సమానం చేస్తే x = 1/3. సో f ఇంక్రీజింగ్ కావాలి అంటే f'(x) ఏం కావాలంటే పాజిటివ్ కావాలి. దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x < 1/3. కాబట్టి ఏ అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందండి? -∞ to 1/3 అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా f డిక్రీజ్ అయితే f'(x) < 0 ఏ అంతరంలో డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుందండి? 1/3 to ∞. రైట్, సో దీని నుంచి ఇంక్రీజింగ్ డిక్రీజింగ్ వచ్చినాక గరిష్ట కనిష్ట విలువలు కలవడానికి సింపుల్గా గ్రాఫ్ తీసుకోవాలండి. ఇది 1/3 క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్. రైట్, -∞ to 1/3లో ఇది ఏమైందండి? ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. 1/3 to ∞లో ఏమైపోయిందండి? డిక్రీజింగ్ అయిపోయింది. అంటే గ్రాఫ్ నుంచి 1/3 వద్ద ప్రమేయం గరిష్ట విలువని పొందుతుంది. రైట్, ఈ ప్రమేయం యొక్క గరిష్ట విలువ కావాలి అంటే f(1/3) కనుక్కోవాలి. రైట్, కాబట్టి ఈ రైట్ -∞ to 1/3లో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ఫంక్షన్ f(x) = sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is increasing if which interval? Right, first one is 0 less than x less than pi/8. The second one is pi/4 less than x less than 3pi/8. And the third one is 3pi/8 less than x less than 5pi/8. The fourth answer is here 5pi/8 less than x less than 3pi/4 is here. Right, what here given function f(x) = sin power 4x cos power 4x in which interval is increasing, asking is here. Right, direct differentiation is complicated. Some simple simplification is here. We get the maximum value is here. So what given f(x) is here? Given f(x) = is here sin square x whole square is here. Right, plus cos square x whatever is here whole square. Right, this can be right sin square x plus cos square x is here whole square. Right, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab sin square x into whatever is here cos square x is value is here. The value is whatever is here 1 1. Right, minus whatever is here 1 minus. Right, the value is here. So what the value is here? 1/2 into 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into cos x whole square is here. 1/2 into 1/2 whatever is here sin square 2x can be taken is here. 1 minus 1/2 sin square x is here. So this is the whatever is here f(x) is here. What the f'(x) is here? This will be 0 minus 1/2 into 2 into sin 2x into sin 2 dx differentiation is cos 2x into 2x differentiation whatever is here to these two will be cancelled. f(x) is equal to whatever is here minus whatever is here sin 4x is here. 2 sin theta whatever is here cos theta can be taken. Right, now the what given is here f is an increasing function. F is an whatever is here increasing function. F is increasing function means f'(x) is whatever is here positive. What the f'(x) is here? Sin 4x is positive. Right, sin 4x, right, sin 4x is positive means is here sin or minus sin 4x is positive means is here sin 4x is whatever is here negative can be taken is here. Right, so what right sin 4x is negative according to this one is here. What is the sin? Right, you draw the graph is here sin 0 is whatever is here 0. You draw the graph is here. You draw the graphs can be taken. This the 0, this the pi, this the 2 pi and this one. Right, pi to 2 pi is what? Negative, and the 3 pi to 4 pi is also whatever is here negative can be taken is here. And also we observe is here at x. Right, what happened? The pi to whatever is here 2 pi. You observe the pi to 2 pi is whatever is here negative. Right, that's right, pi to 2 pi is negative, but we observe. Right, so what at 3 pi by 2 you observe at 3 pi by 2 sin 6 pi 0. That's why not take pi to 2 pi is here. You divide 2 parts can be taken is here if pi less than 4x less than 3 pi by 2 is here. Right, or whatever is here 3 pi by 2 less than 4x less than whatever is here 2 pi. You observe at pi to 2 pi is negative, but at 3 pi by 2 is 0 is here, but we want strictly less than 0. That's why, so here one break are there is here. Why break is here? At 3 pi by 2 this value is 0 is strictly less than 0 is here. So that's why applying the whatever is here dividing by 4 is here pi by 4 less than x less than 3 pi by whatever is here 8 or 3 pi by 8 is less than x less than whatever is here pi by 2 can be taken is here. Right, therefore x is increasing in the interval pi by 4 less than x less than whatever is here 3 pi by 8 or 3 pi by 8 less than x less than whatever is here pi by 2. right? So that's why second answer is whatever is here, correct can be taken is here. Okay, here some important observation is at 3 pi by 2. Why are you not 3 pi by 2? That value is whatever is here 0. That's why pi and 2 pi, right, 2 pi is not direct, can be taken is here. Function is at bracket whatever is here 3 pi by 2. Right. Students, f of x equals sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is here. Increasing in which interval is asking. First, using some simple techniques, algebra is here. A square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Using trigonometry, the f dash x equal whatever the minus sin 4x is here. F is increasing, minus sin 4x is positive, sin 4x is negative. Right. What the sin negative at in which interval is here? Pi to 2 pi is negative. Right, but at 3 pi by 2 the value is 0. That's why the whatever the pi to 3 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 whatever the 2 pi. Right, now x lies between this interval or this interval, f is what the decreasing function. That's why second answer is correct. Right, f of x equal sin power 4x plus cos power 4x అనే ప్రమేయం ఏ అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది అని అడిగినాడు. రైట్, f of x equal sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is here. సో దీంట్లో బీజగణితం యొక్క సూత్రాలు ఉపయోగిస్తే ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీ స్క్వేర్, రైట్, మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏ ప్లస్ బీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab, రైట్. దాని రైట్ త్రికోణమితీయ సూత్రాలను ఉపయోగిస్తే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది. దాని నుంచి ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ సైన్ 4x వస్తుంది. రైట్, సో ఎఫ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ కావాలంటే ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ ధనాత్మకం కావాలి, మైనస్ సైన్ 4x ధనాత్మకం కావాలి, అంటే సైన్ 4x రుణాత్మకం కావాలి. సైన్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు రుణాత్మకం అవుతుందండి? పై 2 పై మధ్యలో ఉంటే ఒక ఆప్షనల్ పై 2 పై మధ్యలో ఉంటే రుణాత్మకం అవుతుంది. కానీ 3 పై బై 2 దగ్గర 0 అవుతుంది, కానీ లెస్ దెన్ 0. కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం ఎక్కడెక్కడ నెగిటివ్ అవుతుందండి? పై నుంచి 3 పై బై 2 వరకు, 3 పై బై 2 నుంచి ఎక్కడి వరకు అండి? 2 పై వరకు. కాబట్టి దీన్ని 4తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే కావాల్సినంతరం పై బై 4, 3 పై బై 8 ఆర్ 3 పై బై 8, పై బై 2. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, if f is a real valued function, f is a real valued function, f is a real valued function defined on R such that f dash x is equal to e power x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, then f decreasing in the interval, f decreasing in the interval. Right, first option is minus infinite comma minus 2, second option is minus 2 comma minus 1, third option is 1 comma 2, and fourth answer is 2 comma infinite is here. But given f is real valued function defined on R. What real valued function? Value of the function is real number. Ante what? Our function defined on R. To value of the function is real valued. Kabatti f is function from R to R is here. This is important. Next, say that f dash x is given. What the f dash x is here? F dash x equal e power x into x minus 1 into whatever is here, x minus 2. E is decreasing in which interval is here? Right. First, what the f dash x equal 0 at x equal whatever is here, 1 comma 2 is here. You write the whatever the values is here, 1 and whatever is here, 2 are the breakpoints is here. Here direct is f dash is given. F dash x is given, right. Increasing interval is asking is here. So VV curve method can be taken, right. Suppose less than 1, if 0 substitute, right. What the f dash 0? E power 0 is 1, right. 0 substitute, this is the minus 1, 0 substitute, right. Total, this is the whatever is here, positive. At any value from this one is whatever is here, positive can be taken. And this is the continuous function. Right. In the continuous function, signs are alternate, positive and negative is here. So this is positive. In this interval 1 to 2 negative, and next interval is whatever is here, positive can be taken. Right. What you are observing is here, minus infinite to 1, f dash x is positive. Positive means whatever is here, f is increasing function. Right. And the interval 1 to 2 is negative. Negative means in this interval, function is whatever is here, decreasing function. And 2 to infinite positive, the function is whatever is here, increasing function is here. Right. So therefore, what we observing is here, right, increasing function. Right, this is the increasing function is here up to, right. So this is the you observe the graph is here, 1 and 2 is here, minus infinite to 1 increasing function. increasing function is here at 1, and 1 to 2 is here, whatever is here, decreasing function, and 2 to infinite is and whatever is here, increasing function. From this one we observe at 1 is maximum value, at 2 is the local minimum value is here, and right, increasing in the interval minus infinite to 1 and 2 to infinite is here, decreasing in the interval whatever is here, 1 to 2 is here. From the graph we observe where is local minimum and local maximum. At x equal 1 local maximum, at x equal 2 local minimum is here, and increasing interval and decreasing interval we observe from the graph is here. So that's why the decreasing in the interval whatever is here, 1 to 2 is correct, right. 𝗂𝗎𝗃 method, the first real valued function given direct f dash x is here. 𝗂𝗎𝗃 method which decide positive or negative, just less than 0 substitute 0 is here, 0 substitute positive, and continuous function positive and negative are alternatives here, this negative and positive are observing, substitute whatever the 3, substituting 3 is also positive, substituting 1.5, right, which is also whatever is here, right, what the negative can be taken, from that we find the values can be taken is here, right. చూడండి f అనేది వాస్తవ మూల్య ప్రమేయం, r పై నిర్వచింపబడింది, అంటే f అనేది r పై నిర్వచింపబడింది, ప్రమేయపు యొక్క విలువ వాస్తవం కాబట్టి f అనేది r నుంచి r కి ప్రమేయము. వాస్తవ మూల్య ప్రమేయం అంటే f r నుంచి, రైట్, వాస్తవ మూల్య ప్రమేయం r పై నిర్వచింపబడింది మరియు f డాష్ x ఇచ్చినాడు, ఆల్రెడీ f డాష్ x ఇస్తే రైట్ f అనేది ఏ అంతరంలో డిక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అవుతుందని ఇచ్చినాడు. దానికి ఏం చేయాలండి, f డాష్ x ఈక్వల్ 0కి సమానం చేస్తే x ఎక్కడెక్కడ 0 అవుతుందండి, 1,2ల వద్ద, రైట్, 1,2 అనేవి మన క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్స్, రైట్. మనం రైట్ లెస్ దెన్ 1 ఏమవుతుందో చూద్దాం. లెస్ దెన్ 1 అంటే 0 తీసుకున్నాం, సపోజ్ 0 ఆర్ -1 ఎనీ వాల్యూ, రైట్, 0 సబ్స్ చేస్తే ఇది ఏమొచ్చింది, ధనాత్మకం వచ్చింది. f డాష్ x అనేది అవిచ్ఛిన్న ప్రమేయం అవుతూ, f అనేది అవిచ్ఛిన్న ప్రమేయం అవుతూ ఉంటే ఈ పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్స్ ఏకాంతరంగా వస్తాయి, రైట్. ఇది పాజిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇది ఏంటంటే నెగిటివ్, ఇది ఏంటంటే పాజిటివ్, లేదా ఇక్కడ ఒక 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, రైట్, లేదా ఇక్కడ 1.5 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది పాజిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి f డాష్ x పాజిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి f అనేది ఏంటంటే ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం, f డాష్ x నెగిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇది డిక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం, రైట్. 2 నుంచి ఇన్ఫినిటీ వరకు పాజిటివ్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుందండి, రైట్, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం. మనం గ్రాఫ్ గీస్తే -∞1 వరకు ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అయింది, 1 నుంచి 2 వరకు డిక్రీజింగ్ అయింది, 2 నుంచి ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అయింది, కాబట్టి 1 వద్ద రైట్ లోకల్ మ్యాక్సిమం ఉంటుంది, 2 వద్ద లోకల్ మినిమం ఉంటుంది, రైట్. కాబట్టి సింపుల్గా మనం గ్రాఫ్ గీస్తే మనకు ఎక్కడ ఇంక్రీజింగ్, ఎక్కడ డిక్రీజింగ్, ఎక్కడ మ్యాక్సిమం, ఎక్కడ మినిమం ఉంటుందో సింపుల్గా తెలిసిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి మనకి ఇవ్వన్న ప్రమేయం ఎక్కడ డిక్రీజింగ్, ఏ అంతరంలో డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుందండి, 1,2 వద్ద డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, if f of x is equal to, if f of x equal a log x plus bx square plus x is here, has its extreme values, has its extreme values, has its extreme values at x is equal to, at x equal -1 and at x equal 2 is here, at x equal 2. Then what are the a comma b values? First optional, a is equal to, b is equal to of, right. Second answer, a is equal to of, b is equal to 2, b is equal to. Third option is here, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus of, right. Fourth answer is here, a is equal to -2, a is equal to -2 is here, b is equal to minus of. This is given, right. So given function has extreme values at x equal -1, 2, then find a comma b values is here. Given function, right, at extreme values means roots of the f dash x equal 0. Using that one, find a comma b values is here, right. What f of x is here, f of x equal whatever is here, a log x plus bx square plus whatever is here, x is here. What the f dash x is here, f dash x equal to a by x is here plus 2bx plus whatever is here, 1, right. So given the, what the given is here, at x equal -1 and at x equal 2 is here, function has extreme value. Extreme values means f dash -1 is equal 0 and f dash 2 is also whatever is here, 0. -1 and 2 are the roots of f dash x equal 0 is here. So -1 substitute, what happened, -a minus 2b plus 1 is equal 0, and substituting 2 is here, a by 2 plus 4b plus 1 is equal whatever is here, 0. Solving these two equations is here, we get a is equal to b is equal to what, the minus half, right. A is equal to b is equal minus half is the correct answer is here, right. So what, చూడండి here fx is given function, right, and extreme values at x equal -1, 2, find a comma b values, f of x Find the f dash x. Function has extreme values at x equal minus 1 comma 2. At extreme values, derivative is what? 0 parallel to x axis here. F dash minus 1 0 and f dash 0. F dash 2 is equal 0. Solving these two equations, we get a and b values is here. చూడండి f అనేది ప్రమేయం ఇచ్చినాడు. f of x equal a log x plus bx square plus x, రైట్. మరియు x equal minus 1 కామా 2ల వద్ద అంత్య విలువలను కలిగి ఉంటే a కామా b విలువలను కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయం f of x, రైట్. దాని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ f dash x. సో మైనస్ 1 కామా 2 వద్ద అంత్య విలువలను కలిగి ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి f dash minus 1 0 అండ్ f dash 0, f dash 2 is equal 0. ఈ రెండు సమీకరణాలు వచ్చినాయి. ఈ రెండు సమీకరణాలను సాధిస్తే కావాల్సిన a కామా b విలువలు వచ్చినాయి. a is equal to b is equal minus half. కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ వన్. On the interval open 0 comma 1, the function x power 25 1 minus x power 75 takes its maximum value at the point. First answer is 0, second answer is 1 by 4, third answer is 1 by 2, fourth answer is 1 by 3, right. You observe in the interval open 0 comma 1, function is given x power 25 1 minus x power 25 takes the maximum value at which value of x is here, given x, right. So what is the function is here? Given function f of x equal x power 25 1 minus x power whatever is here 75. Find for maximum or minima, first find whatever is here f dash x is here. What is the f dash x is here? 25 x power 24 1 minus x power 75 plus x power 25 into 75 into 1 minus x power 74 into what is the minus 1. Right. You observe 25 is common, x power 24 is common, 1 minus x power 74 is also common. 25 common, this the whatever is here 1 minus x is here. Here the what happened, x power 24 is common, right. Here is first sign is minus, right. In 75 25 is common, 3 x is here, so that one is correct, right. The value is 25 x power 24 1 minus x power 74 into 1 minus whatever is here 4x can be taken, which is the whatever is here f dash x can be taken is here, right. We observe, right, x power 24 even always positive, 1 minus x power 74 even is also always positive is here. One descending factor is here whatever the 1 minus 4x is here, right. At the whatever is here in the interval 0 less than x less than 1 is here, so f dash x is equal 0 is here. F dash x equal 0 imply x is equal to whatever is here 1 by 4 can be taken. At 1 by 4 the whatever the here x not equal to 0, that's why not equal 0. X is not equal to 1, this value is also not equal 0 and also even power is here, that's why only at 0 1 minus 4x equal 0 and x equal whatever is here 1 by 4, right. 1 by 4 is here. We observe if x less than 1 by 4 is here, x less than whatever is here 1 by 4, so means 4x less than 1 is here, right. Implies whatever is here 0 less than 1 minus 4x, right. 1 minus 4x is positive. From 1 minus 4x is positive, this always positive is here, f dash x is also whatever is here positive is here. F dash x is positive means is here in the interval 1 to 4 is here, that's why 0 to 1 by 4 is an whatever is here increasing function is here, right. If x greater than 1 by 4 is here, simplifying is here f dash x is what the negative and that one 1 by 4 to 1 is the whatever is here decreasing function can be taken is here, right. So we observing is here what happened here 0, here whatever is here 1 can be take up is here and whatever the right 0 to 1 by 4 what 0 to right 0 to 1 by 4 is an right, this the 1 by 4 is here is 0 to 1 by 4 increasing and 1 by 4 to 1 is decreasing function, maximum value at whatever is here 1 by 4 can be taken. So this is the whatever the correct answer can be taken, right. So increasing and decreasing here, maximum value of function at x equal whatever is here 1 by 4, right. Here f of x, right, f dash x is given interval is what open 0 to 1, that's why x not 0, x not equal to 1, right. F dash x equal 0 only 1 minus 4x equal 0 at x equal whatever is here 1 by 4. Alright, we critical points are 1 by 4. We decide at 1 by 4 either maximum or minimum. Right, find f double s, right, all over the lengthy function f double s is complicated, right. Take time is here. What is the technique? Simple graph, right. What the graph is here? X less than 1 by 4. 4x minus 1, 1 minus 4x is what the positive, f dash x is also positive. In the range 0 to 1 by 4 is an increasing and 1 by 4 to 1 is decreasing function. That's why, so our interval is 0 to 1, 1 by 4 is here, 0 to 1 by 4 increasing and 1 by 4 to 1 is decreasing. And the function has maximum value at 1 at x equal whatever is here, 1 by 4 is here. చూడండి 0,1 అంతరంలో x పవర్ 2 by x పవర్ 25 1 మైనస్ x పవర్ 75 అనే ప్రమేయం గరిష్ట విలువని ఏ విలువ వద్ద పొందుతున్నది అడిగినాడు. సో కాబట్టి ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయం ఏంటండి f ఆఫ్ x, దాని నుంచి f డాష్ x కనుక్కున్నాం. f డాష్ xలో రైట్ x మనకి ఇవ్వబడిన అంతరం ఏంటండి 0 లెస్ దెన్ x లెస్ దెన్ 1, కాబట్టి x 0 కాదు, x 1 కాదు, కాబట్టి f డాష్ x 0 కావాలి అంటే 1 మైనస్ 4x అనే 0 కావాలి, దాని నుంచి x ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమైందండి 1 by 4 వచ్చింది. రైట్, మనకు ఇప్పుడు 1 by 4 దగ్గర గరిష్ట ఉంటుందా కనిష్ట ఉంటుందా డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. డిసైడ్ చేయాలంటే x లెస్ దెన్ 1 by 4 అండి, 4x minus 1 ఏమైందండి 1 minus 4x పాజిటివ్ అయింది, దాని నుంచి f dash x పాజిటివ్ అయింది, కాబట్టి 0 మనంతరం 0 to 1 by 4లో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది, 1 by 4 to 1లో డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. గ్రాఫ్ గీస్తే రైట్ 0 1 1 by 4, 0 to 1 by 4లో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అయింది, 1 by 4 to 1లో డిక్రీజింగ్ అయింది, కాబట్టి ప్రమేయపు గరిష్ట విలువ ఎక్కడ పొందుతుందండి 1 by 4 దగ్గర పొందుతా ఉన్నది. కాబట్టి రిక్వైర్డ్ కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ x is equal 1 by 4 is here. Right, next problem, the minimum value of f of x is equal to x power 8 plus x power 6 minus x power 4 minus 2x cube minus x square minus 2x plus 9 on the real number set or is dash. On the real number set or is dash. First one is 1, second one is 5, third one is 0, fourth one is what 3. Right, what the given function, right, find the minimum value of the set of real numbers is here. You observe what is the given function, f of x equal x power 8 plus x power 6 is here, minus x power 4 minus 2x cube minus x square minus 2x plus whatever is here 9. Right, for we find maxima minima, first find the whatever is here derivative. Right, so derivative is here x power 8 is here, derivative is the take the some time is here, using simple algebraic equation is here. So what the algebraic equation is here, this can be write x power 4 whole square is here, right, plus 1 square is here, right, minus 2x power 4 is here. Right, so what happened, right, this value is what the x power 6 is as it is here, minus x power 4 here, minus 2x power 4 plus x power 4 is here, minus 2x cube minus x square minus 2x is here, here already plus 1 using, right, plus 8 is here. Right, the value is here x power 4 minus 1 whatever is here whole square combining of this part. Right, this can be write x cube whole square, right, minus 2x cube, already these two terms is here, plus 1 square plus x power 4 minus x square minus 2x is here, 1 using this value is 7 is here. The value is here x power 4 minus 1 whole square, combining these two terms is here x cube minus 1 whatever the whole square, next one x square whole square, right, plus 1 square is here minus 2x square plus x square minus 2x is here, plus 1 already using this value is 6 is here. Right, x power 4 minus 1 whole square, x cube minus 1 whole square, and combining these three terms is here x square minus 1 is also whole square. Right, and combining this one is here plus x square minus 1 whole square, which is nothing but the x square minus 2x plus 1, already 1 using plus 5 is here. So this is the whatever the f of x. Right, you observe square always positive, square always positive, square always positive, square always positive. That's why which must be greater than or equal to 5 is here. Right, f of x greater than or equal to 5 is here, the whatever is here, the minimum value of the function is whatever the 5. Right, minimum value of the function is 5 can be taken. Right, using the algebraic techniques is here, simple algebraic techniques is here, we get the minimum value of the function is whatever the 5. Some confusion are there, more degrees are given. If more degrees are given, using the algebraic expression is here, we find minimum value is of the function is f of x greater than or equal to 5, that's why minimum value is 5 is here. Right, so what given f of x, find the minimum value, using algebraic simplification we get f of x greater than or equal to 5, that's why minimum value is whatever is here 5. చూడండి f(x) x power 8 plus x power 6 minus x power 4 minus 2x³ minus x square minus 2x plus 9 యొక్క కనిష్ట విలువని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్, చూసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఆల్ పవర్స్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్స్ వచ్చేటట్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి బీజగణిత సూత్రాలు ఉపయోగించి దీన్ని a-b² ఆర్ a+b² లెక్క మార్చుకోవచ్చు. రైట్, సో ఇవన్న ప్రమేయాల్ని దాంట్లో వాటిలో అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన ప్రమేయం ఏమొచ్చిందండి? x⁴ -1² x³ -1² x² + 1² x², right, here x -1 whatever is here whole square x² - 2x + 1 x -1² + 5 is here. సో ఇవి ధనాత్మకం, స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ధనాత్మకం, స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ధనాత్మకం, ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ధనాత్మకం +5. సో ఇది ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా > 5 f(x) > 5. రైట్, కాబట్టి ప్రమేయపు యొక్క కనిష్ట విలువ ఎంత అండి? 5. కాబట్టి కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ 5. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ద వాల్యూ of a such that the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation x² minus a minus 2 into x minus a minus 1 is equal 0 assumes least value is dash. Least value is dash. First one is 0, second one is -1, third one is +1, fourth value is 2. Right, what? The value of a such that sum of the squares of the roots of this equation assumes the least value is here. Right, so suppose x², given a quadratic equation is here, a minus 2 into x is here, minus of a plus 1 is equal 0 is here. Right, what happen is here, suppose alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. Right, so sum of the roots alpha beta is equal minus b by a, the value is a minus 2. Right, and product of roots is equal minus c by a, the value is whatever the minus of a plus 1 is here. Right, let what asking is here, sum of the squares of the roots is here, let z is equal to alpha square plus beta square is here. Find this minimum value, least value is here, then what are the a value is given. Right, z is equal this one. Right, so this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square is here minus 2 alpha beta is here. Right, that means z is equal, what the alpha plus beta is here, a minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus of whatever is here a plus 1. Now value is here a square plus 4 minus 4a is here plus 2a plus whatever is here 2. The value is here a square minus 2a whatever is here plus 6 can be taken up is here. Right, so that value is z. Right, we observe z is the function of whatever is here f of a. We find maximum or minimum of the function z or f of a, imply dz by dA can be find out is here. Right, dz by dA is here whatever is here 2a minus 2 is here. For maximum or minima dz by dA is equal 0 is here, we get a is equal to what is the 1. From this find the whatever the second derivative is here, whatever the 2 is always positive. Right, the positive mean right, positive is always positive at x a is equal 1 is also positive. That's why z has the whatever is here minimum value at a is equal to whatever is here plus 1. Therefore, the given z, the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation is minimum at a is equal to whatever is here 1. You observe one quadratic equation is given. Right, find sum of the squares of the roots is whatever is here is minimum is whatever the is the least value minimum is here, then find what are the a value. Given quadratic equation alpha comma beta are the roots, sum of the roots, product of the roots. What condition, which value is minimum, squares of sum of the squares of the roots, means z is equal alpha square plus beta square. Right, this can be write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Right, simplify z. Z is function of whatever is here a. We want minimum value of z right? Minimum value of z is function of a, that's why find dz by dA, right? Minimum value at dz by dA is equal 0, a is equal what? 1. We want maximum or minimum, second derivative is always positive, that's why the z has minimum value at a is equal 1 is here. Therefore, z is equal, right, sum of the squares of the roots is minimum at a is equal 1, that's why a is equal 1 is the correct answer. చూడండి, రైట్, x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ a by 2 ఇంటూ x మైనస్ a మైనస్ 1 ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అనే వర్గ సమీకరణం యొక్క మూలాల వర్గాల మొత్తం కనిష్ట విలువని పొందితే ఏ విలువ ఎంత ఉంటుందో అడిగాడు. రైట్, ఇవ్వబడిన వర్గ సమీకరణం ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా అనేవి మూలాల మొత్తం ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా, మూలాల లబ్ధం ఏంటండి ఆల్ఫా బీటా. మనకి మూలాల యొక్క వర్గాల మొత్తం కనిష్టం కావాలి కాబట్టి మనకు కావాల్సిన ప్రమేయం ఏంటండి ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్. దీని నుంచి ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 ఆల్ఫా బీటా చేసినాం. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే జెడ్ అనేది ఏలో ప్రమేయం వచ్చింది. మనకి జెడ్ కనిష్టం కావాలి, గరిష్టం లేదా కనిష్టం కోసం ఏం చేస్తామండి dz by dA, రైట్. సో ఎందుకంటే జెడ్ అనేది ఏలో ప్రమేయం 0కి సమానం చేసినాం, a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 వచ్చింది, సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ ధనాత్మకం కాబట్టి a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 వద్ద కనిష్ట విలువని పొందుతుంది. a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయినప్పుడు మూలాల వర్గాల మొత్తం కనిష్ట విలువని పొందుతుంది కాబట్టి a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ +1 ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. The number of minima of the polynomial f of x is equal to 10x power 6 minus 24x power 5 plus 15x power 4 plus 40x square plus 108 is dash. Right? First answer is 5, second answer is 1, third answer is 2, fourth answer is 3. Right? The number of minima of the polynomial given. Right? What minima? Minimum is one value. Plural of minimum is minima. Right? So means more than one minimum values are there. That is the plural term is whatever is here. Minima can be taken. Minimum, right? Plural is what? Minima is here. So the given function has how many minimum values are there is here. So this is the given asking is here. So what the given function is here? Given function f of x equal is here 10x power 6 minus 24x power 5 plus 15x power 4 plus 40x square plus whatever is here 108 is here. Right. For maxima or minima, first find whatever is here f dash x is here 60x power 5 minus whatever is here 120x power 4 is here 120x power 4 plus 60x cube is here plus 80x can be taken up is here. Right. From this, right, 20x is common. 20x is common is here. 20x is common. What happens is here 3x power 4 minus 6x cube is here plus 3x square plus whatever is here 4 can be taken up is here. Right. 20x into this one from 3x square is common. Right. What happens is here x square minus 2x plus 1 plus whatever is here 4 can be taken. Right. 20x into 3x square into x minus 1 whole square plus whatever is here 4 can be taken. This is the f dash x is here. We observe x square positive, x minus 1 whole square is also positive. Total is positive plus 4 means this is always not equal to 0. Right. So y square plus 4 is here, positive plus 4 is not equal to 0. Only 0 means this part is 0. Right. Mean f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0 at only at x is equal to whatever is here, 0 is here. So therefore maxima or minima whatever is here at whatever is here at x is equal to whatever is here, 0 can be taken. And also we observe if x less than 0 is here. If x less than 0, x negative is here, this is always positive, right? F dash x is also negative can be taken, right? F dash x is negative, f is whatever is here, decreasing function. Right. If x is positive, this is also total positive, f dash x is also whatever is here, positive is here, increasing function. You see the graph at 0, right? What is the x less than 0? X less than 0 is the decreasing function and x greater than 0 is the increasing function. So how many minimum value at x is equal to whatever is here? 0. How many, how many minimum values of the function? Only one minimum value of the function. That minimum value is at x is equal to whatever is here, 0 can be taken. Okay, past given function, how many minimum values are there or minima? Right, first find f dash x is here, right, f dash x is the whatever the big powers are there is here. Some algebraic observation, we get a simple answer is here. What algebraic observation is here? 20x is common. right? So here you observe x power 4, x cube, x square common, right? That's why x minus 1 whole square. Plus 4 is always, which is not equal to 0, only 0 at x equal 0 is here, right? All right, so only f dash x equal 0 at x equal 0, that means maximum or minimum at x equal only 0 is here. Now, what is the x less than 0, right? So this is always positive, only depending this one, f dash x is also negative, decreasing. X positive, f dash x is positive, increasing here. So therefore, 0 is our critical point, x less than 0 is decreasing here, and x greater than 0 is increasing, means is here minimum value of the function at x equal 0 is here, and minimum value of the function is here, f of 0 is equal to whatever is here, 108 is the only one minimum value is here. Therefore, the number of minimum values at x equal whatever is here, 1. రైట్. ఈ ఎఫ్ఎక్స్ అనేది ఒక బహుపది ఇచ్చిండు, ఈ ప్రమేయంకి ఎన్ని కనిష్ట విలువలు ఉంటాయో కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. ఈ ఓడిన ప్రమేయం ఏంటండి, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. గరిష్ట లేదా కనిష్టం కోసం ఏం చేయాలండి, ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం. ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ యొక్క తరగతి ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటంటే బీజీయ సూత్రాలను ఉపయోగించి దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ చాలా సులభంగా సాధించవచ్చు. రైట్. దాంట్లో ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ 20x కామన్ ఉంది, రైట్. ఇక్కడ 3x² కామన్ ఉంది, ఇది x - 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అయింది. ఇదంతా ఎల్లప్పుడు కూడా ధనాత్మకం, +4 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది ఎల్లప్పుడు కూడా 0 కాదు. మనకు ఓన్లీ 0 కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలండి, 20x 0 కావాలంటే x ఈక్వల్ 0 కావాలి. x ఈక్వల్ 0 వద్ద గరిష్టం లేదా కనిష్టం అవుతుంది. రైట్. గరిష్ట లేదా కనిష్ట కోసం ఏం చేయాలండి, రైట్. x లెస్ దెన్ 0 అయితే ఇది ధనాత్మకమైంది కాబట్టి x లెస్ దెన్ 0 అయింది కాబట్టి f డాష్ x కూడా ఏమైతే లెస్ దెన్ 0 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇది డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. x గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 అయితే f డాష్ x కూడా ఏమైతే గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి మీరు గ్రాఫ్ గీస్తే, రైట్, x లెస్ దెన్ 0 అయితే డిక్రీజింగ్ అయింది, 0 to ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఏమైంది, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అయింది. కాబట్టి x ఈక్వల్ 0 వద్ద మాత్రమే కనిష్ట విలువ కలిగి ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఒకే ఒక x ఈక్వల్ 0 వద్ద కనిష్ట విలువ కలిగి ఉంటుంది. కనిష్ట విలువ ఏమవుతుందండి, f ఆఫ్ 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 108 అనేది కనిష్ట విలువ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ప్రమేయం కేవలం ఒకే ఒక విలువ వద్ద మాత్రమే కనిష్ట విలువని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏవి గరిష్ట విలువలు లేవు.